Hey there, aloha everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Mark here, Mr. Dividend Investor. Just bringing another update on my N1 Finance portfolio. Today, just wanted to say aloha. Hope everybody is doing well. Please be safe out there as we are still dealing with the virus. Those of you that are new to the channel, aloha, welcome. Please do me a favor and hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it. Welcome back for those that have subscribed. Totally appreciate the support. Without any more delays, let's take a look at how the portfolio has done last week. So I was able to reach 1,000 with this portfolio for the week, down only 1%. For the month, so I'm up 10%. For the quarter, I'm down 11%, and then for the year, still down 26%. So let's go through our sectors. For my ETF, I'm only down this week, only 2%. Basically got the VOO SPHD. Okay, let's take a look at the other sectors. Real estate has been getting hit this week. I'm down only 3%. Realtor O, public storage, DLR, and then for my bonds, so my bonds is up 0%. Pretty much they're performing not bad. Okay, for my growth stocks, I'm up is 0.6%. Tesla, Amazon, Google, Trader Desk, and Facebook. I added this one. This is a great company. One of the companies that I think would be good in the next 10 years. It's a company that kind of deals with advertising. But other than that, let's take out the other sectors. Technology, I'm up 0.0%. So I got Apple, Microsoft, and AVGO. For my healthcare, I'm up 1%. Got my Johnson & Johnson, Abbey, UNH, and then Merck, which is these are all great companies. For financials, I'm down 3%. Bank of America, JP Morgan, MasterCard, Visa. I've added CB in there. I'll try to put some money to start slowly investing on that one, but I like that company a lot as well. Utilities, so I got NEE, Southern, WEC, and AWK, and this one I'm down 2% for the week. Utilities, oh no, I did that already. Communication, I'm down 4%. AT&T, Disney, and Verizon. So Disney has been down a lot, as well as AT&T, but I think in the long run, these three will start picking up. Okay, for my consumer sector, Costco, Coca-Cola, and Target, and for this one I'm down 3%. Industrial, Boeing, Waste Management, 3M, Roper, and RTX. For this one I'm down 7%. And then my other consumer, McDonald's, Home Depot, Lowe's, and GPC. For this sector, I'm up 0.2%. Energy, which is Chevron and Exxon. So for this one, I'm up 0.1%. And then finally, for my materials, down 1%. SHW, PPG, APD. I'm going to start adding more money for my LIN stock. Alright, so that for my activity. So if we look at the activity side, the dividends, so I'm starting to get, again, getting more dividends as we go. Here you go. As you can see, I look at these, and these are the ones that I really like to see, where pretty much almost every day we're getting dividends. It's slowly coming around. As you can see, it's 14 cents, 29 cents, 13 cents. So as I continue to put money into this portfolio, the dividends will start increasing. For my deposits, so again, I'm consistently making sure that I make at least $25 deposits pretty much almost every week, to increase that overall current value. Mahalos for checking out the video. Links are in the description if you want to sign up for M1 Finance. You get $10 if you deposit at least $100. I also have a link for Robinhood. When you sign up, you get a free stock. I get free stock. I also have Webull. You and I will get 2 free stocks after you deposit $100. Just letting you guys know that this is just I'm just sharing. Always remember to check with your financial advisor when you decide to get into the stock market. Other than that, please be safe, stay cool, and keep investing. Aloha and take care. Bye.